Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fulfill orders on Shopify using CJDropshipping. But before I begin with the video, I can offer Shopify your first month for only $1 and not $37. So if you want to pay $1, click the link in the description. So what you have to do is you have to go to authorization stores, my CJ authorization. Then you want to connect automatic connection, source request or listing, and then the payment. So authorization, Shopify, add stores. Then you have three situations. So you want to make as a supplier of your existing goods. So to do that, go to connection, automatic connection to connect your products with ours. Now that this is connected, as you can see, connection, add connection, sourcing and post sourcing request. Then you want to add, if you want to add new products to CJ to your store, just click on the list button, so it will automatically be added to your store. Check the orders, the system automatically generated in my CJ and the arrow dropshipping orders, so dropshipping center imported orders. Then you can choose the orders you want to place with us. So these are all the orders your customers order via your Shopify store. And here you can choose, you literally just click on it and click on add to cart, and they will start the automatization process. And that's it. As you can see, after a customer makes order, all you need to do is pay us for the product. CJ team will do all the best things for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want top Shopify offer, click the link in the description.